Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your music player problem. If you're facing any problem in music player, it is stopping every time or it is crashing every time. How you can solve this problem in Vivo smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friend. First you have to go to settings option, and then you have to go to apps. Here it is. Click on app section, and then you can see there is a music player, and then first you have to just force stop this and then disable app and then enable this and clear cache, and it definitely working on your device. Here it is a music app, and allow this, and now it is working good. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.